Hi guys, in this video I'll be explaining you what is event propagation and how capturing and bubbling phases takes place in a simple web page. Okay, but before starting the video, I just need to remind you, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe for this kind of coding related videos. You can see I have a complete playlist of JavaScript interview related questions what are asked in a JavaScript interview. So you can go through my complete playlist, and if you have any doubt, you can comment and I'll surely reply. Let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see I have prepared a code for you, and in this code, what is happening, if I explain you, I have a simple document, and in that document, HTML document, I have created a parent child relationship. Like I have a div which is the parent, and simple style I have applied, and I also have a button here which is the child element. Okay, and over that I have written click me. So let me show you how it looks. You can see the parent is looking something like this, and click me is the button, okay, which is the child. So if I click on the parent, you can see two things are printing: parent clicked capturing, then parent clicked bubbling. Okay, what is the difference between capturing and bubbling phases? These are basically the phases. Whenever user click on something in the web pages, what happens, it tries to capture that, and capture means a kind of a filter it is doing to find out that particular element. This web page is in a tree structure, so if this is the topmost element, it goes into that deeper and tries to find it which element that is clicked. So when it goes deep and find which is the element that is clicked, that is known as capturing event. So that's why it have printed parent clicked capturing. So I will show you how you can get this one, because usually you will never get this capturing page. Okay, you will always get this bubbling page. Why that happens, that will also I will explain. Okay, but first understand what is capturing and what is bubbling. Once the event is captured, then what happens, it bubbles like upward, like it will assume I clicked on this click me. Okay, so what will happen, after it will come from this HTML to head, then it will come to body, then it will come to parent, then it come to this button. So capturing is done. After capturing, the bubbling starts. So whenever bubbling start, it will again go upward, like it will go to parent, then it will go to head, then it will go to HTML, and so on. Okay, so in this way bubbling occurs. Here you can see this is the bubbling phase. What happens, I'm simply selecting the parent, and parent, you can see it is ID here, that's why I have written get element by ID, and I am having a event on that, that is click event. So whenever parent is clicked, so I'm just printing parent click bubbling. But then where capturing is coming from, capturing is coming from here. There is a third element. Whenever any events you are writing, like click event, then you are simply passing the functions, because lot of people does not know that there is a third parameter which we need to pass. Okay, and that parameter is true or false. By default it is false. If that does not you are passing, then it means false, it takes that false. So whenever you write true, what happens, whenever this parent capturing phase comes, this will be triggered. Whatever you have written in the callback function at the time of capturing, this will be called. Okay, and this will be called at the time of bubbling. Like once capturing is done, at the time of bubbling it will be called. Similarly, I have written event for the child element. Whenever the child is clicked, just print child clicked. So if I show you, whenever I click on click me, then I am clicking the child, but first what happens, child is present in the parent component, so it is showing parent clicked because we are capturing there, right? And once that is captured, it again go down, and then it finds this click me, so it reaches the point where user have clicked. After that bubbling happens, so it will go upward. When it goes upward, it finds parent clicked, so that is known as bubbling. Okay, so if you understood what I explained in this video, then please subscribe the channel, like this video, so that we will be motivated for posting such contents for you. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.